Imagine a browser that actually learns from your habits, adapts on the fly, and finally makes browsing feel modern again. That's exactly what Dia, the AI-powered web browser, is aiming to do. And now, it's borrowing the best ideas from Arc, its predecessor, to speed past the competition. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. We're diving into the future of AI browsers. Arc was the bold experiment from the browser company, launched in 2023. It tried to reinvent how we browse with workspaces for personal and work life, pinned tabs, a spotlight-style command bar, and a powerful sidebar. But as founder Josh Miller admits, Arc was just too complex for most people. Too many new concepts, not enough instant payoff, and it never gained mainstream traction. That's where Dia comes in. Acquired by Atlassian for $610 million, Dia is designed from the ground up to be AI native, faster, and more secure. And now, it's bringing Arc's greatest hits into the mix. That includes the sidebar mode fans loved, picture-in-picture for Google Meet, custom keyboard shortcuts, and pinned tabs. Miller is even exploring how to bring Arc's unique Spaces feature, distinct browsing areas with their own tabs, favorites, and themes, into Dia. What makes Dia really interesting is how it combines these proven features with AI capabilities like memory and agents, making the browser smarter over time without the bloat that made Arc hard to use. Plus, deeper integrations with Atlassian tools like Jira and Linear are in the works, bridging work and browsing like never before. In short, Dia isn't just a browser. It's a smart, adaptive platform that learns from the past mistakes of Arc to create a faster, simpler, and more powerful browsing experience today. And for early adopters, more features inspired by Arc are just around the corner. If you're serious about exploring the future of AI browsing, check out the related video popping up in the corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates.